In a town there lived a master who had a lot of pupils. One day one of them wondered, "Is there a question which our master cannot answer?" The pupil went to the meadow full of flowers in full bloom, caught the most beautiful butterfly and cupped it in his hands. Holding it like this, he thought, "If the master says that the butterfly is dead, I will set it free, and he'll see that he was wrong. If he says that the butterfly is alive, I'll squeeze my hands together and it'll die." Coming up to the master, the pupil asked, "Master, the butterfly in my hands, is it dead or alive?" Without looking at the pupil, the master said, "It's all in your hands."